I knew it. I knew it. Alright. Streetfighter came in the way, but I knew it. Had a little bit of fun. Puppers. I wonder what that was. Yeah, we're just taking a break. McLaren is right there through that door with the clear door with nothing in there. Not the one with the sign that says we have moved. I wonder whose bike is that and where that person is. I wonder how their life is. You know, all old with the kid and stuff. Alright guys. But what is up everybody? This is Riding Insane. We're gonna ride around a little bit more. Took a little mini teensy wincy break, but we're gonna continue riding. I gotta make an episode for the anime series, so we're gonna be doing that very soon. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to concentrate because we are currently in Supercar Alley, but that does not mean, and by the way, many times if you guys seen me off the bike and stuff, you guys go, oh, Riding Insane, you're fat. No, it's just a lot of layers, and sometimes when I go like this, it has like this little bulge come out, but no. It's filled with air, so don't think that I'm fat. You're fat, I'm not fat, you're fat. Wonder what that was. I think it's McLaren. Whatever it was speeding. So we gotta chase it down now. Might not be possible, but I still gotta try. Might not be possible, but I still gotta try. It can't lane split, I can. So whatever that was, let the chase begin. As I fix everything. Okay. This is Riding Insane. Sorry about that. Took a little break. Couldn't get the jacket to go back up. The zippers wouldn't align. First world problems. I know. So let's see if we can get this party started with whatever that was. You gotta chase it now. Probably not. Look at all those McLarens in there. But probably not. No chasing and stuff. We're just gonna ride. We're gonna go that way anyways, and then from there we're gonna go on home. Because I don't want this to be too long of a ride. I did that yesterday. I came home, lost my voice, which still hurts when I talk. I think we got butt cheeks and black jeans. But I don't want to do that again because it's painful. It hurts. As well as what's the word? I get super tired after work or after I get home. I'm mentally just exhausted, and this isn't gonna open for me, is it? Thank you, truck, for coming. But yeah, so because of those things, I want to make sure I'm not doing too much riding because it is getting hotter. Yesterday was really nice and cold. Today is hot as hell. So we're gonna keep it minimal. We're gonna keep it short, and we're gonna head on home. I gotta make an episode for the anime series, the ride and review series, where we're riding around on a motorcycle and reviewing anime, and it makes me happy. So we gotta do that soon too. So let's first get out on the streets, and we're out on the streets. Let's at least turn and move, because I am getting hot. I am getting hot. She used to be hot one day because now she's hella old. Yeah, we're not catching up to anything. We were supposed to make that turn when I was here, but the light didn't open for motorcycles, so I don't know if that's the first world problem or not. That guy was staring at me. But yeah, I don't know if that's the first world problem or not. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Because in first world, stuff like this shouldn't be happening, right? First world stuff. That's an M5 right there, if you guys see it. Against that gray looking building or whatever, it's an M5. Yeah, we're not catching up to anything. This isn't gonna open, is it? There's a truck behind us too, it's just not gonna open. I don't know why it's being a hoe, man. Homie's gonna press it, it's gonna open? No, they're going straight. Why is it doing this to us? Maybe God doesn't want me to chase anything anymore. Alright, we had a lot of fun today, so maybe God doesn't want me to chase anything. But look at as many cars pass by, man. I don't think this is possible. Please go, please go, please go, please go, please go, please go. Yes. Thank you. What kind of motorcycle is that? I've never seen that one before. Okay, so we're gonna let Nimbus take over for a while because I gotta fix my jacket. See, that was a Merc AMG GT, and as you guys can see, it was an old dude with a baseball cap and a beard. And right now, if you guys heard that slurping, that was me slurping my spit or my sweat that's on my upper lip. A little salty, but very sweet. There's a Lamborghini man here. This is what I'm curious about. He is not. We got a rider back there, but I think I also saw some lights, some flashing lights. Nothing is just I can't tell. I think it's a Streetfighter back there. If it's a Streetfighter, I want to ride with a Streetfighter. And I don't think the Streetfighter is lane splitting, because I think he's like us. He only lane splits when he needs to. I can't see where he's at. Sadly, these mirrors aren't that big that I can see all that. Plus, there's La Policia up there, and there's the AMG up there, right there. You guys see that? I believe that's a GTC again. There's a lot of them out today. And we got a Ferrari back there too. I think it's a 458 or 488. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff happening right now. But La Policia kind of changes all that. Unless he turns for some gas or something like that. Alright, so AMG GTC, Ferrari I think 488 or 5458. And then we got a Streetfighter as well. And that was a rider, but I wasn't paying attention who that was and what he was doing. Gun it. Okay, we got an AMG GT something, we got a Ferrari. Matt Gray. That's gonna be a fun one. Looks like we're not gonna be lane splitting. Looks like we're not gonna be lane splitting. I wish I saw them earlier. I wish I saw them later, or they were down the line so I could lane split. Because we're about to come to some heavy traffic. And I know this lane goes into the next one, but this is the only way that I can stay behind the Ferrari. And another one. And another one. We got a Ferrari California in mint blue up there. And we got a Mercedes AMG GTC over there. And then we got that Streetfighter, I think that's still back there. And then on the other side of the road, there was a Ferrari moving past as well. Yeah, it's a Streetfighter, man. I'm good with these eyes. Yep, it's a Streetfighter. Man, God, thank you for them eyes and them awareness and them senses. We got a Ferrari California with an old dude in it. All I see is his kid in the car, I believe. Alright, we're gonna stick with the Streetfighter for a bit. Looks nice. You guys know we're almost gonna go for a Streetfighter when we're getting Broly, or in that time where we were thinking about what to get. One of the choices was a Streetfighter. I'm waiting for the Streetfighter. Looks nice. I would change up the mods this guy did a little bit and add a couple more, but still not bad. Ferrari California is gone. We got the Ferrari up there, 5458 or 4888, and then we're just cruising with the. Oh, we got another Ferrari up there, super fast Ferrari. Is that what it's called? Ferrari super fast. So let's see who we can have fun with today. Because we got a lot of choices. It has to be one of these, right? I gotta make sure I gotta stay in the back and I don't get too in front. I forgot that I should have. Oh, Cayenne Turbo, Harleys, and a dude on a. I think that was a guy I've seen before on the GX or whatever. But yeah, we got a super fast somewhere. I think the 488 is all the way up in the front. Fast. Good thing we didn't lane split because the 458 I thought it was at the very front. It wasn't. Oh, the Streetfighter followed. Okay, the 488 is up there. Choices. Maserati. A lot of choices today. Okay, this time the 488 was number one in the line. Okay, I know the Streetfighter's not gonna do anything. The 488 was right in front of the line. I could hear us blaze it. All right, all right. Need to make some executive decisions. We gotta see where that 488 is going. Or 4 or 5. I'll give it. I'm gonna say 488. Ferrari. It's in the front. Open, 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 open. I knew it. I knew it. Alright. Streetfighter came in the way, but I knew it. Had a little bit of fun. Got the 488 right behind us, got the Streetfighter right behind it. I knew it would pull. So that's why I kind of gave it some space. So we left the super fast because we needed to. Sometimes you gotta make that executive decision, you know what I mean? You gotta make that executive decision. Right next to me, or will he not? If he does, that means he wants to blaze it. Another AMG GT C or GT. I think it was a GTC. So if he would have taken that, then he would have wanted to do something. But if he didn't take it, that means he's done for the day. We could have lane split it ahead and had another chance with him. Nimbus versus the Streetfighter. I liked that one. I liked that one. I wasn't even full throttle. Streetfighter could do a lot better. Yeah, Streetfighter could do a lot better. I think he was shifting manually. That's why. But yeah, I wanted that one, but I'm gonna need a couple more rounds with some different kind of riders to kind of break myself in to see if how well does Nimbus do against the Streetfighter. Oh, he's getting a little splunky, huh? He's getting a little splunky, huh? That's cool. gonna say goodbye to the Streetfighter V4S Streetfighter. I didn't see what the color of the forks were. If it's gold, that means it's the S model. If it's black, that means it's not the S model, it's the base model. But anyways, we had fun with it, and we had fun with the 488 Pista, or 458 Pista, which is in the back. Just lounging, just cruising, just like we are now. Just lounging and just cruising, just like how we are right now. There's way too much traffic up ahead for trying to have any kind of fun. So we're gonna let that dream go. And I think the 488 already turned to its home, which is funny because a lot of supercar owners that I know live in these areas. I want to say at least 6 of them. But yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to the Streetfighter because I don't want to go through that traffic. So we're gonna say hasta, we're gonna say la vista. We're gonna say I'm out of here, pimp a snowmobile. Cause we done, Daisy. But I hope you guys had fun. We had fun with the Streetfighter at least. I hope you guys had fun. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And until next time, this is Riding Insane. He says goodbye, I say goodbye, we all say goodbye, but you say hello to the adventures you're about to start. So remember, life is short, have as much fun as you can, because tomorrow ain't promised. But what is promised today is me twerking it up. It's promised, man. So until next time, I'm out. Ride safe, drive safe. Peace. Woo!